Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are at Something Different restaurant here in Malone, New York. Gonna check out their famous poutines and see how they compare to Canadian Montreal poutines. So here we are. It's a small little place. Cute. Let's go check out the food. Very nice, quiet place, very clean, open kitchen. Not too many people in here. Menu. All kinds of stuff. Burgers, subs. Well, we're here to try the poutines. Compare to our Canadian poutines and how they hold up. Alright, we'll get back to when the food is here. Something different, and if anyone's ever looking for it, the address is right here, and phone number. The poutine has arrived, and let's just do a quick view of it.
Shots. Alright, so to compare, Canadian poutine has curd cheese, and usually the hominess of like fresh cut fries, but
this is supposed to be beef gravy, which would make it fresh gravy.
Alright, I'm gonna taste it. Taste it.
Let's see if there's any pull.
There's no pull, but the fries are nice and crispy, although not hand cut.
And how is it? It looks and smells good.
Gravy is really good, I have to say. The fries are nice and crispy. They have that like double batter. So it's plus, and there's quite a bit of cheese in here.
And there's some pull.
Oh, there's the cheese pull.
Good.
Voila.
All right, guys. If you're around the neighborhood, come and check out the restaurant. Poutine is good, and there's mine. It's gonna be good. See you guys next time.